Welcome to how to create a monthly average formula up to current date. Let's get started. When calculating monthly average, we don't want to divide by 12 based on the number of months, but instead factor in that we need to calculate up to current month and not the months that have not yet passed. So how do we accomplish that? Let's use the number of completed submissions as an example to calculate our monthly average. So we are just going to bring in the number of submissions complete. And we're going to bring that in twice. The second one we're going to use to calculate our monthly average. So we're going to edit formula, change our custom headings to call that monthly average. And in the formula section, we're just going to go ahead and create our formula. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the number of submissions complete, and we're going to divide that by SAS, month, current date, as double, and we're going to include that loop. So to break down this formula, essentially the month current date, right now we're in June. So the month current date will essentially return the month of June, 06, as the month. And the cast as double converts the text string of 06 to a number format with 2 decimal places in it. So right now we're in June, 06. When we get to July, then it will be 07 and so on and so forth. So we're just going to click on OK, and we're going to resolve that. So here we see that our number of submissions are completed, 218,754. That gives us a monthly average of 36,459. Now this is based on 6 months because we're in June. So they'll divide that number by 6. Now, let's say we want to calculate past years as well, up to current year, current month. How do we do that? Let's go back to criteria here. And first of all, we're going to convert our submission completed date as a year so that we get past year. So we're just going to bring in that into our report. And next is we're just going to essentially modify our formula for monthly average. So let's edit the formula. And now what we're going to do is we're going to do a case statement, 1 year, and we're going to bring in submission completed date. Is less than year current date, then we're going to say take the number of submissions complete and divide that by 12. So if any year that's in the past is going to divide by 12, and if the year is not in the past, then we're going to do it then. Or sorry, we're going to do an else. And it counts number of submissions complete. And we're going to divide that by our cast month current date as double. And we're going to put an N at the end. So now what it does is it'll, for any year prior to 2021, it will divide by 12. And for 2021, it will divide by 6 based on the fact that we're currently in June. We're going to click on OK, and we're going to prompt a result. And we're going to bring in the year as our first column. So as we see here, and if you make these calculations, the number of submissions complete for every year from 2011 to 2020 would be divided by 12, but 2021 would be divided by 6, being that we're in the month of June. Coming in July, they'll divide it by 7, and so on and so forth. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day.